In this lecture, we will talk about the Logical Volume Manager. LVM is widely used for managing disk storage. Some of the benefits are: it provides an abstraction layer between the physical storage and the file system, enables the file system to be resized, enables the file system to span across multiple physical disks, can use random disk space, move from one disk to another without taking the file system offline. Let's look at the structure of LVM. If you look at the bottom, there are three hard disks. Those are physical hard drives. On top of the physical hard drives, we have physical volumes. On top of physical volumes, you have your volume group. On volume group, you can create your logical volumes, and on logical volumes, you can have your file systems mounted, which your system can use. This is the structure, and this is how it looks like. Managing disk space has always been a significant and time-consuming task for system administrators. Running out of disk space used to be the start of a long and complex series of tasks to increase the space available to a disk partition. It also required taking the system offline. This usually involved installing a new hard drive, booting to recovery or single-user mode, creating a partition and a file system on the new hard drive, using temporary mount points to move the data from the too small file system to the larger one, changing the content of the HCFS tab file to reflect the new partition, rebooting to remount the new file system on the correct mount point. LVM addresses all of the above issues. LVM allows for very flexible disk space management. It provides features like the ability to add disk space to a logical volume and its file system while that file system is mounted and active. It also allows for the collection of multiple physical hard drives and partitions into a single volume group, which can then be divided into logical volumes. Allows reduction of the logical volumes, mirroring of the logical volume, moving from one storage disk to another without taking the system offline. This covers the introduction to LVM, the Logical Volume Manager. I hope you learned something useful in this lecture as well, and I'll see you in the next one.